I will share a story with you that I have a couple of years ago here in Israel. There was a delegation from Africa that came, and I was invited to present what we are going to do because they have a lot of problems there. And the head of infrastructure, I think it was for Ghana, and he told me, we have 1 million children die every year because of scarcity or contamination of water. And I said, is that true? And I'm going and I find out with UNICEF in the United Nations that today we have 6,000 children die every day because scarcity of water and because of shortage of water, which means this is 2 million in the world. And that thing is something that we are, as a community, as a society, cannot agree with. When I spoke with an economist and tried to explain what we are going to come and that we want to put a price of water on water, the question was, what will happen if you will put a price? Maybe the price of water will be more than we pay today. And my answer was, first of all, when we will have pricing of water, people will learn to use it in an efficient way. They will less contaminated water. They will preserve water. And on the other hand, the next question was, what will happen if, let's say, the Coca-Colas or the Pepsis will be against it because maybe it will raise the money that they're paying for the water, which is not true, but I have a very good answer for that. I told this guy, this economist that come out with this question, which is legitimate questions. And I told him, if you take into consideration that you can save not 2 million children every year, just 1 million children a year, every year, every generation, you have 80 years of consumer for your Coca-Cola or for your Pepsi, which means that even if one person uses 2 bottles of drink in a week, so it's about 8,000 bottles in an 8 years time, which means that if you take it by 1 million every generation, I told him it's 8 billion bottles a year more for every generation that comes in every year. This is a huge number. And do you think that there is any manufacturer that will not be able even to think that even if it's cost him another half a cent or a cent to have such a huge, more customers, and in the same way, save life, save people that can be productive and producers in the world. They can have their own food. They can live. They take it like this in this world that we all have this basic right to live. And as we said, if you have a basic right for water, so you have to manage it right in order to give the people the way to enjoy it. Because if we have this gift of water, this gift should be for everyone. But it cannot be for everyone if we don't manage it well.